Welcome to our Tableau Hackathon submission, a powerful AI-driven solution designed to tackle wildlife strikes, especially with respect to birds, and with precision, insight, and collaboration. Wildlife strikes pose serious threats to aviation, from costly repairs to loss of life. Birds are the primary culprits, and regional airport managers often lack real-time, actionable intelligence to prevent them. Our solution is grounded in real, publicly available FAA wildlife strike data, a rich, authoritative source spanning decades of aviation incidents. Our intelligence starts with a business-friendly semantic model, translating complex aviation and ecological data into familiar terms like species, risk, so forth, and so on. Using Einstein AI, I rapidly generated complex calculated fields in seconds, accelerating analysis and unlocking deeper insights instantly. As a regional airport manager, I log in and instantly see incident trends, filtered by incident date, airport, aircraft, species, and damage level grouping. Remember the same field which we created with Einstein AI. This dashboard looks great, but perhaps it's time to see the power of agent force. Being a regional manager, I want to know which airport in the southern US has experienced the highest number of wildlife strikes this year. Let's go for it. Wow, I got the airport name. Not only that, I will show you how it comes to the number 155. And if you still don't believe me, let's filter it and check it out. I changed the filter and the number is exactly same as 155. I want to know which is the most dangerous species for this airport. Let us try to find it out. Here you go, it's morning dove. Now let's try to find more insights with Tableau Pulse. Let me open the metric. Now it helps me to explore the other contributing factors as well. We already know species, so it's time to switch over to animal size, phase of flight. We get more strikes during approach and landing, which makes sense, and there are more number of smaller birds striking the aircraft. I have uncovered valuable insight that I am now sharing with our wildlife specialist team to help shape targeted mitigation strategies focused on airport locations, species, so forth and so on. Now, with Slack integration, I can instantly share to my wildlife team. And my wildlife team can instantly click on the dashboard and work on the mitigation plans. Explore in Tableau next. Now I switch over to the wildlife specialist view or persona. Now as a wildlife specialist, I already know the species and the airport. So I'm going to filter accordingly. Morning dove. And when it comes to airport, here we go. Incident date, current year to date. And remember, this is the same number, 27. So it's a small size animal. This is the maximum level of damage done by this bird. Strike altitude is very low. That means during the landing or takeoff phase. And the trend is going up. And the flyway group is central. During which part of the day morning doves are most active? So I've asked this question. Do strikes tend to occur during specific times of the day for morning dove? Let's see. Ignoring the unspecific times, we get to know that these birds are more active during the daytime. Well, this is gold dust because if morning doves are most active during early morning or dusk, airport teams can schedule wildlife patrols, deploy deterrents, or adjust flight operations during those windows to reduce the strike risk. I would love to know what type of aircraft are most vulnerable to morning dove strikes. Let's see. Here you go. If certain aircraft types are more vulnerable and they operate during the peak morning dove activity, airports can consider adjusting flight schedule or runway usage to reduce exposure. While Tableau Next may not support certain visualizations like maps, which are crucial for the wildlife specialist persona, well, Tableau's interoperability bridges that gap. By connecting Tableau Desktop to Tableau Next data sources, we unlock the full power of the cloud without sacrificing advanced visual capabilities. To go beyond analysis, we built a predictive model using Einstein Model Builder. It estimates the probability of air damage based on variables like climate, location, aircraft mass, species type, so forth and so on, giving airport teams a proactive edge in risk mitigation. The solution empowers airport managers and wildlife specialists to collaborate, predict, and prevent wildlife strikes, saving lives, money, and time. This is more than a dashboard. It's a conversation. It's intelligence. It's Tableau.